It's Thursday. We're going to taste some food. I don't know what else we would taste.
I've been waiting all week to taste food.
Oh, I could have passed last night. Yeah.
Yeah.
We decided to try one of those banquet family size things. We used to get them back in the day. It was the Salisbury steak. Kind of reminded me of the Caesars that I pour out for my dogs.
Yeah, if you're from Banquet out there watching, you know, sorry for kicking on your product. But
that
honestly,
was nasty.
Yeah, I got a couple of them on a little plate and cut them up, and I swear, if you'd cut up a Caesar and cut up that and mix the plates up like Tony, which is which, I'd be like, hell no.
Yeah, so there's our review on that. It's gross.
They're not being so much better.
I do too. I was going to try the turkey one next, but... And you put it in your mouth and it felt like it was coated in fat. And I told Tony, I said, it's probably just beef fat and...
Breadcrumbs.
Beef fat and breadcrumbs is all it was, but, you know, I'm sure that's not true. Anyway, let's talk about some candy. We're going to try the new Butterfinger. New and improved. I've not heard good things about this, I'll be honest. I can't remember if I've tried these or not, so we're going to try the Dark Side Skittles. We're going to try the Starburst Duos. I think these are sour. No, I guess. Blue Raspberry Lemonade, Strawberry Watermelon. We're going to try the Green and Black's Organic Milk Chocolate. Woo, I about slung it. It's fair trade. That and this, I got both on clearance at Walgreens. Brussels Starburst Cherry Cordials. I've never tried the cordials. I didn't even know they made them.
I'm big on cherry cordials.
Yeah, I am too. So, what do you want to try first, baby doll?
I don't know. We want to start fruity and end chocolate, or start chocolate and end fruity?
I don't know.
Because we probably don't need to mix them up. I guess let's start fruity.
Okay, that leaves, okay, Starburst and Skittles.
Okay.
Which one do you want to try?
Starburst is closest to you.
Alright. Like I said, this has Blue Raspberry Lemonade as one flavor and Strawberry Watermelon as the other. I'm not going to go into ingredients and all that. It's candy. You don't want to know. Do you want a strawberry watermelon or a blue? You probably want a blue raspberry lemonade. You don't like watermelon. I'm going to have the strawberry watermelon. What it looks like. Mmm. That's good. You can't really go wrong with Starburst. I don't think it's possible. Of course, yes, I am one of those strawberry people. Love the strawberries. Here, try one of the watermelons too.
So, I mean, I'm not big on blueberry, but that's actually pretty good.
Blue raspberry.
Blue raspberry.
I love blue raspberry.
Maybe that explains it.
I don't like blueberry, but this blue raspberry is great. I'm sorry, I don't know what the heck that was.
Must be like smacking good.
I like those. 5 stars all the way. I would buy these. I would eat these. Yeah. Alright, let's try these Skittles. Dark Side. The other side of the rainbow. We have Dark Berry, Black Cherry, Forbidden Fruit, Midnight, Lime, and Blood Orange. I don't foresee these being bad either. I was going to say I've never had some bad Skittles, but I think we got the ice cream ones, and those were disgusting. The chocolate one, ooh. So I think these were forbidden fruit.
Which color?
Okay, forbidden fruit was the blue.
Okay, got one of those.
This purple one I tore off. Well, purple was dark berry. Dark berry reminds me a lot of grape. Ain't gonna lie. This is midnight lime. It just tastes like regular lime. I got so mad when they took the lime out of the Skittles. You thought I was going to say coconut, didn't you?
No, so they did put it in the coconut, so.
Oh, and they replaced it with green apple. It's like, no, I've been eating lime Skittles my whole freaking life, people.
You tell them.
That was my middle flavor. I'd start out, I'd eat the strawberry. No. I'd eat lemon, that was my least favorite. Then I'd eat orange. Then I'd eat lime. Then I'd eat grape. And then I'd eat strawberry. Okay, the red ones was black cherry. And then the orange was blood orange. I don't see an orange. You got an orange? Is there no orange in this pack? Did you get any orange? What the heck? That's the one I was most excited about. Okay, anyway. These are good. I don't think they're as good as the Starburst. But, what do you think? I give them a 4.
I eat them.
4, 4.5. Yeah, to me, they're not vastly different from regular Skittles. Just to be honest. Okay. What do you want to try first? You want to try first?
I'm still trying to get rid of this handful of Skittles.
I just saw there's a cut in this bar. Hope it doesn't go all the way through. Look at that.
There is a cut.
Go all the way through.
They probably had a razor knife and zipped it off. Yeah.
Well, do we want to eat that? Because that came from a drugstore.
Yeah.
And God knows what kind of germs are in there.
I mean, I'll try the top part of it.
Don't try any of that. A germ ain't going to get in the package and go, I'm going to stay right here.
Sure it is.
No, it's not. Don't eat that.
Well, it smells like a very dark chocolate, which
It's
I mean,
milk
it is.
chocolate.
Oh, that smells dark.
Okay, we're going to skip this one. Oh, it does smell very dark. It's only 34% cacao. Okay, we're going to skip that one because it was cut open. That sucks. Alright, I guess we'll do the Butterfinger now. So I guess, I hate when companies do that. Why do you put it on the shelf if you cut through it, you know?
Stalkers don't care.
They don't care. Oh, they don't care about anything at our Walgreens. Okay, so the new Butterfinger is, in my opinion, smaller. I could be wrong. I don't know why they had to change it, but
Now, before anybody that's a stalker gets mad at me, I'm not talking about all stalkers in general, but our Walgreens, we have bought stuff off the shelf that was expired, took it back. Me, Amy, and the manager go over there to get another one, and every one of that certain item be expired in some way expired on the shelf.
that's different. I like the chocolate on it better, I think. It tastes more natural, honestly. But if Butterfinger's like one of your favorite candy bars, which for me it's not, you're gonna probably be upset.
It is different, yeah.
It tastes more like you're eating...
I agree with Amy. It does taste fresher.
It tastes more like real peanut butter.
Mm-hmm.
And the chocolate on the outside, I always hated the chocolate on the outside of Butterfingers. To me, it was like sickeningly sweet. So, I don't know. Like I said, Butterfinger's not one of my favorites. So, what do you think?
It doesn't seem to gum up on my teeth like the...
It's gummed up in my teeth.
You got the gummy part.
It wasn't as flaky and crispy, though, I will say that.
They are supposed to be crispy and crunchy.
Yeah, but it's also very rare that you get a very super fresh Butterfinger. Alright, so what would you give that? I wouldn't buy it again, but I'm not a Butterfinger connoisseur, so...
Butterfinger connoisseur?
Connoisseur.
Oh.
Now you made me say sewer.
I thought you were talking about like, you know, like a dinosaur or something.
One stuck to the top of the thing. Okay, they come with milk chocolate and dark chocolate.
Which one are you trying?
Milk.
Milk. I will try a milk. And they are stuck.
And they're indeed cordials. They have the liquid.
Well, I thought they seemed very, very nice and proper.
Okay. I prefer those cordials over the chocolate covered cherries because I don't like that cream stuff. But that's just me. I like it to this be all liquid. The sugar in that one was really grainy. I mean, the liquid.
The one that I had was the same way. It was very chewy.
No, mine wasn't chewy. Mine was like crystallized sugar.
That's what I meant.
So I don't know if it's just a bad batch or if that's how they normally are.
I prefer my Queen Anne's.
I prefer those I ordered from Albanese.
True.
But those are $12.99 a pound. So.
True.
I would not buy these again. I'm sorry, Russell Stover. I normally I love Russell Stover products, but that one's just... I'm out of tea. Crap. That one's just not that great. Anyway, my favorite was the Starburst. What was your favorite?
Yeah, I'm going to have to say the Starburst was probably the best, followed by the Skittles.
I think the Starburst is the only one I'd buy again. And I don't even... I'm getting to where I'm not that huge on candy anymore. I buy a lot of candy. It's like I'll crave it and I buy it and then it doesn't get eaten. I either donate it or... I know y'all are like, wow, I thought she ate it all. Look at her. Anyway, I don't recommend those cherry cordials. So, that's it. Do you like any of these products? Sorry we couldn't try the chocolate bar, but I'm not trusting something that was cut open, especially in a drugstore. You know, because I've even questioned before about buying food from a drugstore. I mean, this is one, it's like the germiest place you can buy food from. People don't come in there healthy. So.
Sure they do.
Well, yeah, they're like us. Well, no, that Walgreens does not get the couponers it used to. And it's its own fault. Anyway, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell, tell us if you like any of these, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.